Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're all about personal skincare, and we're going to create a skincare routine tracker on Airtable. It's your complete guide for 2025, so let's jump right in. Our first step is to create a new base in Airtable. Click on the Add a Base button and select Start from Scratch. Name this new base Skincare Routine Tracker. This is our fundamental building block, the place where we're going to store all our skincare routine data. Now that we've done that, next up is creating our first table. We'll name it Daily Routine. In this table, we'll add columns for date, morning routine, evening routine, and products used. The reason we do this is to have a clear and organized record of our skincare regimen. Having created our table, it's time to fill in the details. For example, under morning routine, you might enter cleanse, tone, moisturize, and under products used, you'd list the specific items you used. This helps us because it provides a straightforward way to monitor which products we're using and when we're using them. Now, let me explain why this matters. Keeping track of your skincare routine helps you to see patterns, such as how your skin reacts to certain products or routines. It's an invaluable tool in achieving the healthy, glowing skin we all desire. For our final step, we're going to create views. Click on the Grid drop-down menu and select Calendar. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. This calendar view allows you to visualize your skincare routine over time, giving you a broader perspective on your skincare habits. And there we have it. You've now set up your personal skincare routine tracker in Airtable. It's a simple, effective way to keep your skincare routine organized and efficient. Remember, the key to great skin is consistency, and this tracker is your tool to achieve it. Thanks for joining me today. Until next time, keep glowing.